first one, this is anti-drone gun. This is universal sin which protects the soldier from commercial drones and FPV drones. We sell more than 3,000 pieces at war. So this is the most selling anti-drone gun in the world. This is the new generation of an anti-drone gun which we start producing from June. This is the FPV, counter FPV. These systems we put on the Abrams, Bradley, and etc. Hard vehicle, armor vehicles, and light armor. Then this is the backpack portable. It is for the soldiers which make the short assault actions or take back the wounded soldiers, demining, and etc. It makes the dome for 300 meters and make sure that our soldiers will be safe. Also, we have the detection system. Detection system, yeah, which operates from 15 kilometers till 30 kilometers. So this is the fastest passive system in the world for now. And you can combine this system, this equipment in one logical system and operate from the city, from the special commander points, and etc., etc. And you will see the operative situation on the front line, on the zero line. The enemy can see it because this is a passive, not radar. This is a passive system. Yeah, it's important. It's the eyes. When you see, you can work with suppression systems to suppress all units. We are the biggest company in Ukraine, and all these systems, they just now at war, all combat tested, war tested, whatever, and these systems, the main thing, this system for now saving life, just now, saving multiple thousands of lives, because 90% of what you will see at the front line, it will be the products of company Quertus. So it is a big honor for us to produce and save the lives.